Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have some Happy Mail I got in, I believe yesterday. Let's just start this first one. Oh, this is my order. Okay. Sweet. So this was an order I placed on Instagram. And let me make sure this is the right package that I'm thinking of. Okay, very cute. I love this, but it looks like it got a little beat up in the mail. Oh, look at this. This one says thank you. I believe this is the kit that I ordered. Yep, Chasing Dreams. This is a Chasing Dreams kit. This is the one I ordered on Instagram from the Happy Little Corner on Instagram. Yes, so I ordered the Gather collection, or no, Chasing Dreams collection. And then she included in the kit some 6x6 pieces from the 12x12 pad. This is so pretty. She's been making a few kits for like Maggie Holmes collections, and she's created kits that you could use to work, you know, use in your projects you create. Look at that. That is so cute. I don't think I have this paper pad. Yeah, I don't think I have Chasing Dreams. Yeah, because this is one of the older collections, I believe. Let me know if I'm wrong. Cute. I get one of the cut aparts. And let's see. And she was very reasonable price. Oh, I don't want to mess her bow up. Girl, you got this all on lockdown. There we go. I don't want to undo the bow for some reason. I just am one of those ladies. I don't want to take the bow off. So this is very cute and very smart. It's probably one of the Dollar Tree pencil boxes. I might be wrong, but this is cute. Protects everything, and it all fits in that container. And look at these gorgeous rosettes. Look at these rosettes. Oh my gosh. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We got 10 gorgeous rosettes. And I love these rosettes. These are the same ones that Lily was using in her rosettes that she shared with me. I can't get to it right now, but oh, and these beautiful flowers. Look at this. So these are all her creations using the paper collection. Look at that. Oh, so pretty. I like this flower. Is this a punch, or is this your silhouette or cricket? Let me know, because this is a pretty flower. I love flowers. As you could tell with my last swap, she gave me so many beautiful flowers. I still have not used it. Not like any of us are doing any swaps right now. Oh, look at these flowers. This is a paper flower. Oh my goodness. That is cute. Gorgeous. And then she's got the foam flowers in here. I'm just wondering, did you make these, or did you order these? I'm like, this is the second kit I purchased, not from her, but from another crafter on Instagram. Oh, this is a foam flower. Oh, this is so pretty. Did you make this? These are gorgeous. And then the white paper flower. This one's paper. But, oh my God, these are gorgeous. Thank you so much, girly. I really appreciate that. Flowers are so gorgeous. So you get 3, 4 different kinds of flowers. And I forgot to turn off my phone. And then she has some butterflies. Are these magnetic? Are these magnetic? Or am I just wishful thinking? It feels like a magnet. It is magnetic. Guys, it's sticking to the... Oh my gosh, she made these... She made butterfly magnets? Oh my gosh, if I could get it open. That is a magnet. The thinnest magnet you've ever seen. Or I've ever seen, I should say. It's super thin, guys. Oh my gosh. Oops. Whoops. That wasn't metal. Let me see. How can I show you that it's magnetic? Will it stick to my cup? Oh, look, look. It's sticking to my mug. Isn't that cool? I love that. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That is so cute. Thank you, my dear. That is awesome. I'm sorry, I'm whispering because it's kind of late. I just can't sleep right now. So I figured, why wait till morning, right? To open this pretty package up. It already took me forever to get it in my out of my mailbox. So this little bag has some charms, and oh wow. Oh wow. Oh gosh. Okay. Let me show you. She's got sequins flowers in here. Oh my goodness. Did you make this? Oh my god, these are so cute. You guys, these are so pretty. Look at that. Oh my god. I love that. That's so pretty. And I love these little acrylic bows. This is like a velvet flower bead. There's the hole right there. You can see right through it. That's a bead. Another velvet bead heart. It's a bead. Look at that. That is gorgeous. This is like rubber. You know, like the erasers, what they feel like. Wow. Gorgeous. And then you have 3 little bows, and you have a butterfly charm. Oh my goodness. And then you have 3 hearts, 3 little heart bling, and then you have this teeniest, tiniest container. And it's got buttons. I believe they match the, yeah, and they match this, the collection. Wow. That is so cute. It's so tiny. Look at that. Those are the colors of the kit. I love it. Oh my god, this is gorgeous. And this teeny tiny case. I love that. So that is cute. And then, like, that wasn't enough. She filled this with confetti mix. Look at that. Oh my god. Oh, I need to I need to pour it out. Here. Let me put all of that back in here. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. This is adorable. Like, how did she even come up with this collection? It's so pretty to go with the kit. It's so pretty. So here is the confetti mix. And I'm gonna pour it. I'm gonna pour it in here. There we go. And I don't mind because I can pour it right back in. Oh my god, that is a lot. That is a lot of confetti. And they're super teeny tiny. Look at these things. Look at how tiny this heart is. Can you see this? There's moon, heart, stars. Oh my god, just right here in this little confetti. Can you see all that? There's the teeniest, tiniest, littlest heart right there. I mean, a star. Right here. I don't know if you guys can even see that. All in this little cup. This little... Oh my god. Okay. Where am I on? Oh gosh. There's so many. Look at this. This is amazing. I love this mix. Look at that. Oh, gorgeous. That is a gorgeous, gorgeous little mix. I'll put that back in. And she has 3 tassels. No, 4. Look at that. And it's not like embroidery floss. It's like silk thread or satin thread or whatever it's called. But oh, it's so pretty. I love that mustardy goldy look right here. This one. That's so pretty. Oh my god. Really? Oh, and she gave me trim. Well, it's in the kit. She didn't just give it to me, but it's in the kit. Oh, I love the butterflies. This is everything I liked on her Instagram when she was sharing her trims, because she sells them also by individual trims. Gorgeous. Look at this thing. I know I keep pushing it that way. I'm sorry. And then here are the ephemera. Wow. Wow. It is chock full of, oh my god, embellishments too. What? Okay, she die cut tags. Oh my gosh. Okay. So you got all these tags that she die cut herself. Can you imagine die cutting each of these papers? I think this is one. Okay. So look at that. These tags. I think I need to make a freaking flip with these tags. And then she got these butterflies. This is bigger than the butterfly punch that I have. Oh my god. Yeah. Where are you, butterfly? Look at that. It is bigger and it's a different design. That is gorgeous. And she's got all these greens and pinks and blues. Oh god, guys. And this, she didn't just sell one of these kits. There was like, I don't know, a certain number of kits that she had put together. And if you got lucky, if you're quick, you were lucky enough to get a kit. Look at this. These are bag toppers. Like that. Oh my god, these are so cute. I do not have this dye. I do not have any dyes. Put it that way. The freaking rolled flowers. Oh my gosh. There it is. Already cut for you, ready to go. Or even just to share with friends. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 5 flowers right here. Wow. And then she's got, these are all die cuts. Okay, these are not, oh my god. They're different. You see this one? And then this one has the holes. And there's another one that's bigger. Oh my god. Look at these. Oh wow. That's gorgeous, girl. So you get 1 big one, 2 of the mediums, and then 4 of the small. Oh my god, I love this. So these must be, oh, what is that? Oh, I gotta look at that. I gotta look at that. Oh, there's more doilies here. There's different ones. Look. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so there were more of the really smaller ones. And then she has mason jars. Oh my god, look at all these mason jars. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Wow. There's 8 mason jars. Oh my god. This is a whole lot of die cutting, guys. And then this is a bow. This is a bow. This is a bow. And the tassels. And more doilies. Is there only one of these? Am I wrong? What happened? There's only one tail. Uh-oh. Well, there you go. And then there's the hearts. She's got hearts with the stitch in it. These are gorgeous. But there's only one tail. Oh no. Duh. They're together. One. Oh, these are the birds. Look at that. Oh. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much, my dear. Look at these beautiful bows. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Look at that. So many. And then it has, I mean, she die cut it a freaking memory decks. There's 5 memory decks cards here. These are tassels already cut and ready to go. Oh my goodness. The rabbit is super cute. The littlest rabbit, a tale of friendship and adventure. Super cute. There's that yellow. Oh, Janaea. A black and white. Oh, the English rose. Oh my god. These are so gorgeous. And then the large doilies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 doilies. Oh my god. There's so many here. And I guess these are the centers for the bows, right? And then the little flowers. I don't know what those little ones are for. But look, she included every little bit that you need. All from the die cut. Are these just little flower buttons? Oh god. So adorable. This took a lot of time, and she doesn't just do one collection. She does so many at one time. She had this, she had Flourish, and I think she had a new one coming out, one of the newer collections. But please look her up. The name of her Instagram, The Happy Lil, L-I-L Corner. Oh my god, everything is beautiful. So let me I'm just gonna take a real quick picture here because I want her to know that I got her kit. Let me just write this and send it. Okay, so this is it, guys. Check her out. Amazing. The Happy Lil, L-I-L Corner. Amazing kit. I love everything in this kit. And now I'm just going to go ahead and take a picture of all of this yumminess and post it on my IG. I hope you guys check her out. She's got some amazing kits. Go and look for yourselves. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.